In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an automation in MailChimp. If you want to save time and make your email marketing more consistent, automation is one of the best tools you can use. It allows MailChimp to send emails or start actions automatically based on a trigger you choose, which is perfect for things like welcome emails, follow-ups, or other customer journeys. In this walkthrough, I'll keep things simple so you can follow along easily. To get started, open your MailChimp account and sign in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout if it's your first time here. MailChimp organizes its tools clearly, and the automation area is where you'll build workflows that run automatically in the background once they're activated. Next, click on Automation. This section is where you create and manage automated marketing flows. If you already have campaigns or automations in your account, you may see them listed here. Don't worry if the page looks a little different, depending on your plan or interface version. The main idea is to find the automation creation area. After that, click Build from Scratch. This option is useful because it gives you full control over the automation setup instead of starting from a pre-made template. It's a good choice. When you want to create something tailored to your own audience and goals, you'll then be asked to enter a name for your automation. Choose a name that clearly describes what the automation is for. This helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to create several automations later. A clear internal name makes it much easier to identify the right workflow when you come back to edit or review it. Once that's done, choose a trigger and set it up. The trigger is the event that tells MailChimp when the automation should begin. For example, it could be based on someone joining an audience, interacting with an email, or meeting another condition available in your account. When setting the trigger, read the options carefully and make sure it matches the exact behavior you want to automate. This part is important because the trigger determines when your workflow starts. And then simply customize and review everything. Go through the automation settings, adjust the content and timing if needed, and make sure all details are correct before turning it on. Reviewing everything carefully helps prevent mistakes and ensures the automation works the way you expect. Once you're satisfied with the setup, your MailChimp automation will be ready to help streamline your marketing process.